Alright guys, got maintenance here. Looks like we're about a year and 2 months on the rigged filter. All I did was taper in. Alright, this 1-inch slot was horrible. So as you can see, we had 0.45, August 24th, 0.45. It's October 2025. And if we just do, this is downflow. If we take off the blue one, we're looking at, I think it's 0.21, 0.20, just on a return. So this filter is a MERV 8, 5-inch filter, so we're kicking butt. 1 year, 2 months. That is pretty darn good. I forgot the filter manufacturer. What we got here? It might be like Filter By. Yeah, it's a Filter By. A little fresh air duct here. Not bad. I was gonna get them a case filter, but I couldn't find one this size. Catch you on the next one.